log into the partner portal, first of all you have to enter the email address and also the new password. After this you can click on login. To log in on the partner portal tool, you doesn't need only the computer, you can log in even with your smartphone, tablet or notebook. It's working on different operating systems, so it's easy to access. So enter the email address, the password, click on login. After this step you will get the first view of the tool. On the left side top you have the search field where you can enter the DPS number and you will find the call which was created for you. Then some folders like service call list, bulk updates, P&A report, security. Under service call list you can see the call groups: awaiting acknowledgement, work in progress, cancelled, closed. Then on the top you have the filter and search options. On the top currently visible only service call status, service call date, country, region, your time zone, and under security you have the option to create new user or check the engineers which are already created in your queue, if these engineers are also correctly updated in the tool. You can see, you can check here the reference tech ID which needs to correspond to the personal number from educate.dll. So if we return back to service call list, we have here the work in progress, which are opened dispatches, cancelled, and closed dispatches. Small notification before, or better to say, as soon as a dispatch will be created, you will be notified via email address that the call was created. I will show you some example. Like here, you can see on the top, first of all, in the subject, next business day, the service call created with the DPS number, service level, next business day, the service tag number of the system, customer information like address, phone number, etc. Combo code is the call type. In this case, it's MBD, BNS, standard next business day, and location. And the last two information you can see it here: SLA start, SLA end. So latest on 14th of September needs this call to be closed or updated with exception code. So this is already already the first sign of the SLA for this call. Okay. Each of these call groups you can open it just clicking on it. You can see after first login you will see only 10 calls per page. However, the number of the calls per page you can change directly here to 25, 50 or 100. Depending on the number calls per page, also the number of pages will decrease or increase. So first view the DPS number. You can see I can click on it and it will open the dispatch. Then service provider, logistic provider, transport, region, also country is not so important for you because you already know the information. Here we have the customer location, also service call date when the call was created. So you can see it here when the dispatch was created. Status is work in progress according to the call group. System classification, show description, desktop, notebook, fixed workstation, etc. SLA target, you can see it here directly when the dispatch needs to be closed or updated with the exception code. You can see these calls are already updated with exception code. PNA part not available. It's currently 21 days out of SLA. Replicode is the exception code which is applied on the call. Engineer assigned, here will be the name of the engineer visible as soon as engineer is assigned to the dispatch. So I will make 100 calls per page so we can check. If some of the engineers are already assigned. Okay, looks like not. Let's check the second page. Okay, so it will be done probably today after a few hours. However, additional point is latest ETA. Latest ETA is connected also to the exception code. You can see get customer arrange date exception code was applied on this call, and latest ETA was set for today. So the back office personnel already know the call needs to be closed today, or if it's not possible to close it, to update with exception code. LOB is just a short code. Description to this code you have directly on the right side. From LOB code is the system description, so you will know what of system will be repaired. Part status, if the part is available or if the part is in backlog. So you already know if the engineer can collect the part from PUDO, or if the part is in backlog, and then the call is updated by the system automatically with PNA, part not available. Okay, regarding the information here, the columns, you can move the columns to different position, what is best for you. And also additional point, you can edit the columns. That means you can remove some of the columns which you even doesn't need, for example, transport, logistic provider. Okay, and you can see these columns are already removed from here.